Hello my people, what's up? How you guys doing? And in this video I want us to do a live video and I will teach you how I'm going to make $345, or is it $345? We are going to calculate that. We are going to do that together. That's why I said a live video, live trading. Okay, live trading, $345. Okay, now let's calculate. Now you see this coin, here on the, see this coin, this is 80. This highest rising of this token today, let's do a live trade, is what? The highest rising, the high time rising is $14. Then the lowest of it is what? Is $5. Is $5. See it here, that's the lowest trading. And the volume, the trading volume of 80, 21.43 million token has been traded today in the next 24 hours. Okay, so this is how I analyze this coin and I see myself making this money. Now this is the highest rising, right? See the highest rising here. This is the highest rising. It was rising, it was here rising like this. Let's come back like this. This coin was like this, rising up here, rising up here, rising up here. Now you see here is $13. Now let me show you guys how it was rising yesterday before it decided to drop down. So you see was like this, the coin was like this, dropped to this level, down here. So this thing that is happening here, down here, you see that the chart is not going up, it's just doing like this. We call it indecision, or sideways trading. This indecision means, you see what is happening. You can't even see the candlestick, just doing like this, coming. Now we call this indecision or sideways trading, or we have different ways of calling it: sideways trade, indecision, and what again? So it's doing indecision. So what does this indecision mean? This indecision means that the market, like the bearish and the bullish, are just dragging. They don't know who is going to take over. Maybe the bearish is going to continue dropping, or the bullish are going to take over and rise again. So whenever they are dragging each other, the market is dragging each other, then this thing happen. Okay, this thing will not be like the bulls. The bearish will just come small, the bullish back, the bearish small, the bullish up small, the bearish small, the bullish up, the bearish small, the bullish up. So it happen like this. They will just be dragging who is going to take over now. Then last they will decide who is going to take over, and that is why you see this bearish then continue. They then take over from here, bap, down to this place here. Okay, so when I come online, I look at this chart. See, I told you guys in the other video that you cannot analyze it by chart, like analyzing it like in the trade view. The coin is not even the trade view. So you, before you trade this coin, you need to, if you understand candlestick language, then you can manage to analyze it and trade it. Okay, so I'm using some like candlestick language ideas to trade. So if you look at it here, when this market dropped down here, this is how I analyze this coin. So sorry, you are free to drop your own opinion, because I'm not perfect. Okay, about this perfect. Okay, so this coin, when this coin dropped down here, this was the market closing. It closed the market here, and it's drop. This is the highest rising. This highest rising means this market tests $5. It from $14 down, close here, then taste $5. It tastes $5 that is going to drop down to $5, but it only tastes that closing market, that highest one. That is the taste that I'm talking about. Then from there, the indecision market started again. Thinking whether the bullish are going to take over from here, but the bearish were like, okay, no, we are still going to continue. Now, seeing this thing, when I come online, seeing that this thing tastes $5, and I check, I scroll like this, I did not see any candlestick that confirm by the highest market, like dropping the highest market to test that $5 again. I come here and the coin drop but did not go down to that $5. Then highest 5.70 something, 67, 5.80 something. Then the indecision market continue, dragging on who to take over, and the bearish then continue again and take over down to give the market at what? Open the market at 5 points. See, I'm talking about here now. We are walking into this place with this candlestick, that is here. So the market open here, down, close, open at 5.67, and the highest market was 5.66, and the low market was 5.56, and the close market was 5.57. Okay, so the bullish then take over here, and go up. Bullish take over, then rise up. So when I come online, this is not where I meet it, but when I come online, I check back the chart to study the chart and know what is going on. Okay, I know what is going on. Now, this place here, when you see this 3 candlestick, this one here, this one is giving a sign that the coin is going to rise. So when you see this 3 green rising here, I call the 3 white soldiers. They give a sign that the market is going to rise, and true, as you can see, it continue rising here. And when it gets here, indecision take place again. So, and it's continue rising. It rise. Not even decisions like that, sir. Then it continues. So when it get down here, what happened again? When it get up there, what happened again? The bearish take over again. Down here. And when they come here, I don't know, like, I forgot the name of this candlestick here. I don't want to lie. I forgot the name of this candlestick here. And the explanation, let me not explain. I understand it by my own self, but the explanation, how I will explain to you guys, I will make the video long. So when it gets here, it give a rejection here. And this candlestick move here. And this candlestick is called, bullish engulfing candle. This candlestick is called bullish engulfing candle. Then it's not give what? Then when I see I meet the market here. I meet it here. And when I meet it here, I go back again and I analyze the market, the chart, the same way I'm explaining right now. So I just analyze it, and I just enter the market here. That this coin is going to rise back to $15. It's going to rise back to $15 because it only tastes the $5. There is no confirmation that is going to drop. If there's another confirmation, another candlestick which is the bearish candlestick, would have dropped and test the $5 again, but there's no confirmation. Then from there I enter the market down here, and before you know, 3 white soldier happen again and the market pump rise again. I did not sell. I'm still holding my position. It's dropping right now, but I did not care. This dropping, I did not care. This dropping, I do what? I did not care, because I know that the market is still going to rise back, because we have to drop down here. We have a very crazy drop down here, very crazy one here, which is this one, BAP. You see, indecision, and indecision, and it take over again, down again, it rise small, and it take over again, down again, BAP. And as it's taking down, it's not dropping below, like it's trading, like it's not dropping down to $5 or less than $5, just 5 point something. So I enter here having it in mind that this coin is not going to drop down to $5 or below $5. So I'm hoping that the market is going to rise from here to $15 or $14, back to where the highest market was coming, which is the highest market. This is the highest market. So I'm expecting it to go back to the highest market. That is the highest market. The 24 hours, that is the highest market. So this is 12:15 Nigerian time, midnight, and I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping till daybreak. I want to see everything will happen, everything that is going to happen. So how much do I enter this trade? Everything is risk, and our analysis are not 100% sure. Even the professional traders, the analysis are not always sure, and it is very good for you not to trust your analysis 100% sure. That's why we have risk management. You need to apply it. I apply my risk management here, and I'm also applying my psychology, my trading psychology here. Okay, so this is what I see in this market right here. So if you are online on my YouTube channel right now and you want to also take this risk, you can take the risk. And this is how much I enter the trade with. I enter the trade with $100. So coming right now, I enter with $100. $100. So coming right now, I'm in profit of 8632. I'm in profit of just 102.31 Okay, so I enter the market with $100 exactly. So let's come to trade here, come to order here. You will see that, you see how much I bought completed. You will see that I bought it with $100. Okay, so this is the amount I used to buy the coin with. This is, look here, you will see $100, $99.90 something cent. Binance will take, ET will take some charges. They are going to take some charges. They are going to take fee, and this is their fee here. Then take fee for filling the trade. Okay, so I've gotten this amount of ET, 1780. So 17.45 they gave me. They're supposed to give me 17.48, but they give me 17.45. So let's do calculation. Let's do the calculation. I'm having, let's say the coin move back to the price. Is it $5? $15. $15 times 17.45. That is, no, how many? Okay, $15. Okay, $15 times 17 points. Yeah, 17.45. Okay, I'll be having 200 and, okay, it's 261 dollars I will be making. But if the coin go back to the highest rising, which is 14 point something, but let's just calculate at all in $14 times 17.45. I'll be making $244 in a single position. So this thing is possible. It can happen. Okay, it is possible. Nothing is impossible in crypto space. Okay, this one, as we are seeing here, it can happen. It's just for you to take the risks and understand what you are doing, and also apply risk management. Okay, so this is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're online and you want to also risk your money, you can risk. Okay, and never never trust and your analysis 100%. That makes you a good trader. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate you guys.